guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to skip introductions. Today's video is going to be a makeup video because I enjoy makeup. I saw these two images and in my mind gave fall. Do not ask me how those dots connected. I don't know. Also, if it looked like I have been punched, I swear my allergies started acting up right before I started filming. That's also why I kind of am already wearing a little bit of makeup just to cover that, because it was like red. What else are we going to do with this video? We are going to revive an old wig I was this close to throwing away. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this picture in this glorious orange shade. I wish it was a little duller, but you know, it's a Cynthia, so I can't exactly dye it. I just blame my lack of knowledge on wigs and styling. She's balding. She's balding a little bit. Let me show you. I feel like that's my color. But as you can see, she is been through the ringer and she's on her way to retirement. She is on wig hospice, which is why we're trying to use the little bit of life she has left. I'm milking her for all that she's good. We're gonna see what we can do to fix that hole and see if we can get some cute pictures out of her, because I feel like this color with that makeup, but orange, by the way, not purple, orange, I feel like it's gonna eat. So that's what we're doing. I spent like 5 minutes doing my little up bun just to take it down. This is y'all reminder, you should be drinking water. This is water. It has flavor in it, but it's still water. Let me back you up. Back up. Hello, wider angle. I stopped doing wig stuff because I ain't bald no more. Y'all, look how long my hair has grown. I don't want to do a whole slick down my edges. I don't feel like doing a bob cap, so we're just gonna bun this. Okay, I found a wig cap. So that should be a little bit of more security. She gonna look crazy when I put her on. So this is a no judgment zone. That looks crazy. We know. It would have made sense to do the makeup first, but I always have to do hair first to get like the vision together. I kind of want to just throw some bangs on this since I am throwing it away. This is why she's getting tossed. Like, she's lived her life, she did her deeds, she served her served. We're going to trust the process. Trust the process. Watch it come to life, and then I'm like, I don't gotta delete it. She don't gotta go, she don't gotta be sent to prison. I don't know, I like getting the most out of my wigs, so I'll style them a million times before I toss them. Give me a sec. Okay. I did a medical work, didn't I? Yeah. You see it. She actually might not go to the graveyard after this, because she's still on death row, but she might get parole. Is she still raggedy? Quite. Anyway, let's start with the makeup, which means come close. This, and you're a little too close. Someone tell ColourPop, please send me more palettes. I keep freaking dropping mine. I cannot stand hair on me when I'm doing things. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm just gonna go in with my skin tint, because I am not that good at makeup. I'm gonna get better at it this year though. I'm gonna really invest and figure out how to do a beat, but like a soft beat. I am one of those people that truly believe not everyone looks good. Or not looks good, but like not every face is suited with like super heavy, like really thick makeup. We're gonna use this e.l.f. putty color correcting eye brightener. Are you supposed to put this on first? I've been told yes. I've also never cared. I do use it as simply a brightener. Like, it does say eye brightener, and when I just do it as a base and then my foundation in, it does the job, but it doesn't really brighten like as much as I wish it would. I'm looking like something out of The Fifth Element. Maybe I should turn the brightness down. Not blue. There we go. I like working in lower light, which is probably not the best thing to do. I like working in a natural light because then I can see what it's doing. Okay. I love makeup. Let me tell y'all something. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see that roll of color? All of my makeup palettes, all of them are ColourPop because I simply love them. I bought one ColourPop palette. The first one was the Honey Bunny palette and I think the Blue Moon one in like 2020 during Kilvish because no one will see me. So I thought that was a great time to learn. And it was because I fell in love with ColourPop. Anyway, I'm using the Aren't You Glad that's used. And also, a couple's missing because I drop them so much. ColourPop, you should send me some. I'm also using, I don't even remember what this one was called. It was something peach. Baby got something. I think Baby got peach. None of them are missing though, but I do use this one a lot as a bronzer. But I won't be using it in a normal bronzer way today. Nervous! I'm gonna map it a little bit. It's not really the under eye I'm worried about, it's this top part being straight. I have a lot of skin on my eyelids. I know everyone's like, you can't do nothing with monolids, and they're like, I love almond eyes. They have so much eyelid space. They can't be talking about mine because I have so much skin. I don't like how, although it does match really well, it's not dark enough for me, so I'm just gonna use this as a base and guideline. Base. Now the problem is I don't really have a darker orange, so I'm just going with like this neon one. Continuing on, we're gonna use this you peel me. You peel me. I don't even know if that's the actual shade. These fell out and they're magnetic, so I just put them in at a random spot. It might be you peel me. It's this light one. I'm just gonna go like in it to put some color before we glitter it. Into a peach palette to get this Ready or Yacht shade. I know it's Ready or Yacht because I haven't dropped this one. Cute. Now, like I said, I do use this one, specifically the Perky, as a kind of bronze. Because I'm a multi-person person. I don't like going out buying new things. So I go light on my cheeks usually, but for this look, I kind of want to specifically just go on my cheek. I'm actually going to go directly into this orange shade, which might mess up my brush. I'm going to have to clean my brush after this. So we're going to orange, orange, orange. Go back into it. If you think it looks pinky, it's because this is my regular blush. I want to add white instead of bringing it all the way to brighten up my eyes. Next up is these squiggles. I like them. Okay, last step's gonna be gems and mascara. I feel like it's coming together very nicely. I'm kind of scared because this is a new glue and I don't want it to mess up. You can't be scared. It is blue. I kind of wish it was not blue. If it dries like a different color. This is not my usual glue. That's why I'm playing Russian roulette. I gotta be a little more careful this time around with it because it's blue. You ever buy something and you didn't read it really? You just needed it, so you bought it really fast, and then you're like, damn, this is not what I wanted. I make really funny decisions in life. Like randomly deciding I'm gonna get back into YouTube on a random Thursday on my day off. Because I read somewhere, you can't be prepared all the times. So just do the best you can and then be prepared when you can. That translated is in bitch stop being scared. My thing with mascara is I use two. I like the liquidity of this one, but I like the brush on this one. I just combine the formulas. Someone in the comments may be like, that's super unsanitary. It only goes on my eyes. This isn't specifically a clown look. I just saw those two things and I was like, that would look really cute together. I wish I could dye my hair this literal color. Like the money piece and all. Okay, so that was today's video. Tonight's video, more like it, because it is currently 10:42. Like I said, I randomly decided to do a YouTube video because I had energy. Let me know what y'all think. I think my eyeliner was dying on the squiggles, but the eyes eat. I don't know how to do lashes, but when I do, it's over. Anyway, y'all could call this a tutorial. Not really. This was just us vibing and hanging out because I haven't seen y'all in forever. How are y'all doing? I'm 29 now. Y'all have seen me on YouTube for so many years, off and on, off and on, off and on. Come back, I leave because I just hate being perceived. And then life somehow, every time I create a film and schedule, life goes wrench. You can dodge a bullet. What is it? You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. Wrench. And it throws me. I hope y'all are having a great fall. I missed Vlogtober. I'm hoping to do Vlogmas because your girl's gonna get her license very soon. Speaking it into the universe, you know, I have been SpongeBob SquarePants for the past, since 18. Did y'all know I took one before and failed? Oh my gosh. I didn't want to be one of those people that like just keep failing. And I had this giant fear I was going to, and I did. So, you know, fears do come true. Dreams do, and so do fears. Let me tell y'all what happened. Every time I've been in a car with someone, you know when you're changing speed zones? You speed up into that zone, right? That's what I thought. This lady, maybe she just didn't like me. I'm just gonna be that type of person and assume just because nothing went my way, I'm gonna assume you don't like me. But I deadass don't think she did. I'm going from a 40 to a 50. Going from a town onto the highway. Obviously, I'm going to at some point past the 5 mile, you know, range that's allowed. Like if it's a 40, you can go at most 45. How about the second I see 50 in my brain, you can speed up. I assume she sees the 52. I hit 47 right before that 50 sign and she said, yeah. Go ahead, head back for me. You sped. That's illegal. Get out the car. Get out your car, because this is your car, but you failed. So get out just for the sake of it. What? I was crying. Actually, bawling tears, because I was so flabbergasted. Everyone does what I thought they do, but apparently on that test, you gotta drive like you're Miss Daisy. I don't have a license. Who am I to say? Next time you see me, hopefully I'll have a license and then you'll get a car video because I'm gonna be doing things. It's gonna be so exciting. I've already bought the car seat. Not the car seat, I don't have kids. The car covers, like the covers for the seat covers. I feel like that's me manifesting because when I got my apartment, I bought the floor mat and like my plates before I even had the place because I was like, it's in my brain. Therefore it's in my universe. Therefore it's in my grasp. It sounds lunatic. It sounds crazy. I swear it works. So I hope you enjoyed this little ditty I did. Little quick thing. And if you did, like and subscribe. I shall maybe see you next week. If you don't see me next week, you should follow me on all my socials. I do music because no one that looks like this doesn't do music. It's just like, it's a given. So all my socials are going to be linked in the bio and I will see you next week.